Imagine a motorway with 5 lanes suddenly narrowing down into one. No matter how fast the cars move before or after that point, traffic still slows down at the same place. This is exactly how bottlenecks work inside a business. A bottleneck is the step in a process that limits the performance of everything around it. It is the constraint controlling the overall speed of the system. This is the foundation of the theory of constraints, a management approach developed by Eli Goldratt to improve operational performance by focusing on the biggest limiting factor in a process. Most businesses try to improve everything at once: more meetings, more software, more reporting, more pressure on employees. But the theory of constraints takes a different approach. It says every system is limited by at least one constraint, and improving anything other than the constraint usually creates very little real improvement. Imagine a warehouse processing customer orders. Packing can handle 200 orders per hour. Shipping can handle 250, but picking can only process 100. It does not matter how efficient packing or shipping becomes. The entire system is still limited to 100 orders per hour because picking is the bottleneck. Improving non-bottleneck areas simply creates more inventory and waiting. The goal is to identify the constraint and improve it first. The theory of constraints follows 5 major steps. Identify the bottleneck. Exploit the bottleneck by making sure it never wastes time. Subordinate everything else to support the bottleneck. Elevate the bottleneck by increasing its capacity. Then, repeat the process because a new bottleneck will eventually appear somewhere else. Bottlenecks are not always machines or departments. Sometimes the bottleneck is a policy, a slow approval system, a lack of training, or even a manager making every decision personally. The important thing is this: the speed of the entire system is usually determined by one weak point. The companies that improve fastest are often not the ones working harder everywhere. They're the ones identifying constraints quickly and improving the right thing first. Explore free templates, calculators, courses, videos, and software tools at simplicityhub.co.uk. Simplicity Hub, making things simple.